100,000 Kashmiris have died in the past 30 years because they were denied the right given by the United Nations, the right for self-determination. Mr. Narendra Modi is a life member of RSS. RSS was an organization that was inspired by Adolf Hitler and Mussolini, came about in 1925. This RSS believed in the ethnic cleansing of Muslims from India. The Congress Home Minister gave a statement that in RSS camps, terrorists are being trained. This is the time to take action. And number one action must be that India must lift this inhuman curfew. It must free all political prisoners, and especially those 13,000 boys that have been picked up. Parents don't know where they've disappeared. And then the world community must give the people of Kashmir their right of self-determination.